Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in this video, I'm going to be doing, I guess, an unboxing or revealing. And this is of a camping tent. And this is an Outrav. It's a 3 to 4 person, and it's a pop-up camping tent. I think they call them sometimes instant tents or something like that. It just pops up. It's a lot easier to set up and build initially. So there's the bag that it comes in. So let me see what the contents are inside. Okay, so let's see what comes inside. Okay, that's the bag, and then this is the tent itself. And they have these things to hold it in place. So let's pull it all out. This is the rain fly for the top, and it has the stakes, and I guess I think they're called guy lines. So, and as you can see, it does have this. It is a pop-up tent, so an instant tent or whatever. So I'm going to read the instructions on how to get this up. But you see how everything is held in, and let's see how it goes. And there it is. That was pretty quick. And you have your tent set up. Okay, and how you saw that the pop-up tent come out really quick, and I already attached the rain fly on the top, and that's how it looks like. So let me see, let me go around, but you can see the rain fly attaches to each side on this. So let me take a walk around and show you how it looks like. That is the other door on the other side. I have it closed right now. But it's great for wind flow, and if you want to like enter one area and exit the other. Someone told me, I'm not sure if it's true, like if an animal is chasing you, you go in one side of the tent and come out the other to get an advantage, but that's just a funny story. So let's take a look inside. I love the fact that you set it up in seconds, so that's great. So if you look inside, this is the mesh area on one side, and you can see, so it has good airflow, and then that's the door on the other side. It has a hook on top for your lanterns and other stuff. It has so you can put away your stuff, and there's the mesh on the other side. So I'll show you how big it looks like on the inside. It said it's designed for 3 to 4 people, so 3 adults will easily fit on there. If you have a family with kids, you know, 4 of you guys can go in there perfectly. So let me just take a video of how you, I guess, deassemble it or take it down to see how quick that is. Okay, and one thing I forgot to mention is, I don't know if you can see how the tent is. It's kind of like a sunshade on top, and the tent itself on the bottom. And the tent, I disconnected that one there, but I'm not gonna do it, but see how it's connected all throughout to the upper part? You detach it, and the tent itself removes, and then you have yourself a sunshade, which is perfect for the beach, park, or whenever you want to avoid the sun and not have a tent set up. So that's pretty cool. So let me check it out, how I'm gonna bring it down, see how quickly it comes down, just as fast as it came up. Okay, so here's the tent, and for takedown, of course, you remove the rain fly on top, and it is recommended that you remove the inside tent as well. You see how it's all attached, like I mentioned before. I'm gonna leave it on there just so like when I do pop it back up, I have an instant tent in a couple of seconds. So let's see how you do it. Okay, so basically, you see how these joints are? You pop them inward. You see how it goes? And then this one as well. And you do that all around on the tent. So let me get them all set up so you can see how it looks like when it's done. And you see these bend inward. Lift up this part here. And there it is. And you just basically do the reverse and put it back in the bag.